Hello guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. Now in today's video, let's talk about home decor perfect for the summer. Also, don't forget to go ahead, join us on Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest at And Then There Was Style. It is official, friends. Summertime is here and it is up on us. Now, if you are like me, I like refreshing my home for the different seasons and holidays. And I wanted to clarify on that. Sometimes when I say that, people say, oh my goodness, you redecorate your home every season. You're wasteful, you're crazy, you're stupid. That's not what I said. What I said is I like to refresh my home for the seasons. So, in my eyes, when I think of refreshing my home, I may switch out some throw pillows, a nice little throw rug or a throw blanket, whatever it is, just kind of add those accessories in that will make them perfect for the season that is here. In this case, it is summer, and this video is going to give you tons of home decor inspiration so you can spruce up your home for summer and all that entails. Now guys, I'm not going to talk much in this video. I'm just going to give you some quick tips here. Then I'm just going to let you enjoy all of this good inspiration because there's some gorgeous rooms here. Now, in order to really just refresh your home for summer, one, you can place fresh flowers throughout your home that just screams spring and summer. And whether it's fresh flowers as far as like in vases, you can go with faux flowers. You can even go with floral prints as far as wall art. If you are like me, one of the many closets that we have in my home have really just become a storage area for some of the prints that I may not want up the full year round, or some of the pillows that I may not want to display all year round. I just put them all in that closet, and as the seasons change, I just really pick and choose. Now, aside from adding fresh flowers, you can also add a nice, colorful, bold throw blanket. When I think of summer home decor, I always think of big, bold colors like the one shown right here in this room. So whether you have it in the form of a throw blanket that you just kind of drape across your chair or your sofa, or you have it in the form of throw pillows that are so easy to switch out. A nice pro tip for you: instead of buying the complete throw pillows, just buy throw pillow covers. That way, once it's time to switch it out, you can fold them nicely, stick it in an empty drawer, and you're good until the next time that you need it. Also, don't forget those good smell goods in your home for summertime. Essential oils can give you that feel, that vibe that you're looking for, and they have such cute fragrances. I just picked up one called Cotton Candy from Walmart, and it just gives me all the summer feels, and I am in love with it. For those of you all interested, I believe it's the Mainstay Essentials, which is just their Walmart brand. It was all of $2, and it's a great addition for your home. Also, don't forget about random greenery throughout. You want to bring a little bit of nature in, since summertime, of course, is nature's time to shine. Okay guys, I'm already talking too much as usual. Sit back, relax, enjoy the rest of this video, and I will chat with you at the end. Alright guys, so I am hoping that you have enjoyed this video. As always, I ask you to comment your favorite down below in the comment section if you want to know what mine was. It's this gorgeous, beautiful, neutral and blue room. This just screams summertime, especially with that print on the accent chairs. I thought this room was perfect, but tell me what you think. Thank you so much to each and every one of you who watched this video. I appreciate you. Check out these videos right here if you want to see some more content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, friends.